A First Coast News special report.
First Coast is at the Prime Osborn Center. Those 65 and up are beginning to receive their first doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, but not without some hiccups already. We have seen some issues with the appointment making process, phone banks being overloaded as folks try to call in to get their appointments made. So we're going to hear from the Department of Health right now about what is going on. Let's listen.
All those individuals. Part of our plans when we do pods. It's always been part of our plans. JSO is on board. The Mayor Curry's been very supportive in making sure that we get the resources that we need. And so we do have plans related to security.
And Chief, the trucks that are heading out with the vaccinations, where are they heading to?
Those are actually on-duty companies that are coming down, getting vaccinated, and then they're just returning back to their normal territories and fire stations.
Okay.
Was this website planned by the state before? I mean, they knew that there was a vaccine coming. Why is the website not ready to go? And I know
so this is a county-run website currently. There will be a statewide reservation system that they're currently working in with a vendor, but we don't want to wait. We want to make sure that we go ahead and do that so that we can get these. We know what people are very eager, and we're trying to meet the needs of the customer.
Do you know why they didn't have a state-run website ready in advance?
I do not know the answer to that.
What advice do you have just to the people that are calling and they really want the vaccine? They say they're not giving up, but some of them might.
Keep trying. We're going to have that online system come. That'll be another access point. We're working with the phone vendor in order to see if we can get additional capacity there. And again, keep trying. There's a million people, and so it's a high demand right now. And so we're trying to meet the needs of those customers. And again, we're very, very fortunate that hopefully that federal pharmacy partnership will come online. We'll have those different access points. And of course, hopefully, eventually, your doctors that have enrolled to be a COVID provider will also be able to see those patients too.
And when will that be launched?
What?
The website, when will it be launched?
Again, talking about the online booking,
Yes.
In the next day or two is what we're hoping for.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you.
We're good.
Thank y'all.
I'm the interim in Duval, and I'm the health officer in Clay.
Interim director?
No, I don't.
We're doing a press conference Monday, so.
All right, just hearing from the Department of Health there about some of the hiccups that have been happening with the vaccine that has been going on. We're going to try to get to Renata DiGregorio. We do have team coverage there right now, a couple of our reporters trying to get a couple of follow-up questions that we see. We're going to try to get to her in just a moment to see exactly what's happening with the lines. We know there have been long lines. We know the vaccine has been given inside. We're not allowed to go inside at this moment, at least, to see what is going on. As soon as we get the latest from Renata, we'll get right back to her. We have a lot coming up in the noon broadcast as well. But I want to emphasize, if you are trying to call, if you are 65 and up, or perhaps a family member who is interested in getting this vaccine, this is pertaining specifically now to Duval County. We know Governor Ron DeSantis wants this statewide as soon as possible, but right now we're speaking directly about Duval County at the Prime Osborn. If you're trying to call, if you're trying to get online and make those reservations, don't give up. It's important you keep trying despite maybe getting those busy signals or being told the lines are down. We'll have so much more information coming on firstcoastnews.com. It's on our website. Any information you need right there in a concise place, also on our app. About 15 minutes time, we'll be back with you for the noon broadcast, and we'll have team coverage from the Prime Osborn and the rest of your day's news.